You want to rank at the top of page 1 on Amazon, but you don't know how to find the right keywords. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find high impact keywords that will have an immediate effect on your organic ranking. We are the Amazon Whisperer, a boutique full service account management partner. We help Amazon sellers who are doing over $50,000 a month in revenue increase their sales by at least 30% in just 90 days. The key to identifying those high impact keywords that will really move the sales needle is going to come down to two different things: relevance and volume. These high impact keywords need to be extremely relevant to your products. They need to describe exactly what it is and also what it does. These are what we call in Amazon long tail keyword phrases. These are hyper specific phrases that are made up of 3 or more words. A long tail phrase is going to be something like blue coffee mugs for Father's Day or walnut wood coasters for living rooms. Because they are so specific, you'll find that there are far fewer competitors who are competing for those top spots. This makes it much easier for you to rank on them compared to when you are targeting broader phrases, otherwise known as short tail phrases, which are 1 or 2 words long. Short tail phrases will often have a lot of competitors because they are very general. They are also known as category phrases because they can often cover a whole category. If you think of just coffee mugs, that is covering a lot of different things. Not only is it different colors of coffee mugs, but it's coffee mugs for different occasions. It's going to be funny, it's going to be formal, coffee mugs for office, unbreakable, recyclable, reusable, all those different things. It's very, very general. Not only should you be using a keyword that is highly relevant to your product, but also a keyword that has high monthly search volume. If a keyword does not have high monthly search volume, then it is not going to make a big difference to the amount of impressions that your listing receives, and ultimately it's not going to affect sales that much. However, it is very important to note that high search volume is different for every niche. For some niches, a monthly search volume of 500 is going to be very high, while for other niches, 500 monthly search volume is on the lower end. So if you are in a niche where it is common to see keywords on the high end of search volume, like around 500 to 750, you can consider lowering your filters and including all keyword phrases that are above 100 searches per month. To make it even easier to rank at the top of page 1, you can use filters to filter out the keywords that have a lot of competitors ranking on them. All of your standard keyword research tools such as Helium 10, Data Dive, Jungle Scout, all of those different ones have filters that enable you to see how many competitors are competing on that specific phrase. If you are targeting a keyword that has tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of other listings competing on it, your chances of ever getting to the top placements are going to be incredibly low. However, if you're targeting a keyword that has fewer competitors, it's going to be much easier for you to get to those top placements. To further increase your chances of getting to page 1, you want to combine your organic SEO with PPC campaigns. By adding PPC campaigns, you can target those keywords and get your listing appearing in paid placements at the top of page 1. Now, when someone clicks on this paid placement and they make a purchase, that sale is going to help out your organic rank. It's going to boost that. After a few weeks and once you are ranking highly organically, you can relook at those PPC campaigns and start to scale back on the amount of spend. That is because once you're ranking highly organically, you can just live off the sales momentum that your product gets through that organic placement. You don't need to rely on that very first sponsored placement to bring in all of your sales. That is when you can truly turn a huge amount of profit from your Amazon listing because you do not have to spend a lot of money in advertising to get sales. If you are an Amazon seller doing over $50,000 in sales per month and you would like to see how we can help you further increase that by up to 30% in just 90 days, go to the link in the description down below to schedule a free consultation call with us today. If you want to learn more about Amazon SEO, check out our other video over here where I break down the entire keyword research process from start to finish.